Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear doctors. Regarding artificial intelligence for doctor, one of the very good things about artificial intelligence that any module of artificial intelligence need to be trained in order to be a good artificial intelligence. And that is why most AI platform give a free option because you will not have a very good training module without being open. And this is a gift. It's really fantastic gift because if there wasn't this issue that the training module will become better when you get too many requests coming to it, so you have to make it open rather than pay it with money. Without this, we wouldn't have this free option. So now we have a free option of a ChatGPT, free option of DeepSeek, the Chinese, free option of Perplexity, and free option of Google Gemini, free option of Microsoft Copilot, free option of Llama of Facebook, and Grok of Twitter. All of them have a free access in order for you to get the benefit. For us as a doctor, we need to use this platform to get the best option and to best reply and the best answer and to study with them. So this is our aim. And the AI course that I am developing is not to teach you how to do artificial intelligence programming, no, but is how to benefit from artificial intelligence in your study, in your work, in your CV, in your X-ray skills, in your examination preparation, and so on. We need to have grasp this technology in order to become better and to face the next decade with powerful and with vengeance. So each time I will speak to one of the artificial intelligence that is used by doctor. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon. I wish you all the best.